Is Bitcoin going to drop towards $10,000? In this video, guys, I'm gonna give you my personal opinion on Bitcoin, and I will do a general crypto market update. Okay, so if you're interested, make sure to stick till the end. All right, so let's get straight into it. We know that for the past 2 months, I would say, Bitcoin has been in a range, moving up, down, between 18K and 23K. That was the range from September till now, almost middle of October. We have been in this range, and in this video I will give you my opinion on what I think will happen next. Okay, the title of the video is not clickbait. I think that Bitcoin could drop towards $10,000. Of course, I need you all to take this with a grain of salt and do your own research. Before I jump into the analysis, I want to tell y'all that I am not a financial advisor. I'm only doing this video for entertainment purposes, and I'm only sharing my personal opinion. The Bitcoin market can literally do the opposite from the crypto market can literally do the opposite from what I will share here with you guys. Of course, in the past I might have been right a couple of times, but past results cannot predict future outcomes. So yeah, just do your own diligence and take this with a grain of salt. This is just my personal opinion, and trust me, nobody knows what will happen. Okay, there's so many opinions, and trust me, nobody really knows what will happen. Okay, so right here I'm on the daily time frame. I just like to look at the daily time frame on Bitcoin. The reason I use Bitcoin as my reference chart for the crypto market is because Bitcoin is pretty much the cover of crypto. You know, like Bitcoin is the boss. What Bitcoin does, the other pairs, the other cryptocurrencies and altcoins tend to follow it. You know, so that's why I am using the Bitcoin chart as my reference point, because we know from the past that once Bitcoin went on a bull run, smashing new highs, creating new all-time highs, the other altcoins did the same exact thing. And then once Bitcoin started to drop massively, the other altcoins did the same. Okay, so that's why I am using Bitcoin as a reference chart. As a disclaimer though, I don't invest in Bitcoin at all. I invest in other altcoins like Ethereum, Solana, Polkadot, Chainlink, Quant, XRP, and yeah, those are the main ones I would say. But on Bitcoin I don't invest at all. I just use it as my reference point. Okay, so I have some levels marked up here. I have the 30k level, I have the 25 to 24k level, and I have the 22 to 23k level on Bitcoin. Of course, 30k level isn't really relevant. The most relevant levels for me right now are the 22k level, which is highlighted right here, and the 17.5k level. And I'm gonna tell you exactly why. You see, if this low right here goes, I would expect the price to do this. I would expect it to break and then consolidate on the 16k level for a while, and then from here decide if this would have been the bottom and go up, and then maybe start consolidating in the 22-23k area range for a while, or it could literally consolidate here and then drop further down towards 12k, and then we might see another consolidation phase here. We might also, for the people that do not have time to trade Forex every single day or still struggle being profitable while trading Forex but still want to get setups like this, I highly recommend you check out my free signal group on Telegram. The link is down below. This setup was literally sent today. It was a buy limit pending order. All we do is send pending orders, because like this every single one of you will be able to make profits from the signals, and this one was sent in the VIP. Of course, if you want to upgrade to the VIP, where we do VIP live weekly coaching sessions every single week, you can do that from the free signal group. Okay, enjoy and thank me later. Even drop towards 10k, because as I said, that's also a possibility, and then possibly move up. But again, there's so many options. I'm not even sure if Bitcoin will drop below this 17.5k level. To be honest, I think it will. I think it will drop below. I think it's only a matter of time till it will drop below. It could either drop next week, We could see some more consolidation between 19 and 20K and then see a drop below 17.5. Or we could also see this. I think this is also a possible scenario. We could see a small pump towards 22K and then a very big hammer towards 16K, because I've seen this happening a lot of times. Like, look, even here, we had a small pump from 18K towards 24K, and then we had a massive drop from 24 towards 20K, and then eventually towards 18.5. Okay, so again, I think these are the main options that I am looking at right now. Personally, I don't think that it has the strength to go towards 25K. I might be wrong, okay? I might be wrong. Crypto may have already found its bottom and now it's entering a massive consolidation phase before a move to the upside. But again, I think that we could see this low being broken, and then a massive test would be this 16K area, in my opinion. Because yes, ultimately, I know a lot of people that say and claim that 16K should be the bottom. But again, do we know for sure? No. There's a lot of people that said that Bitcoin shouldn't have dropped below 28K, and look what happened. It's consolidated for a while. People thought when this happened right here, let me use the bar replay. When this happened right here, people thought, oh, it was a week down. We wicked 25K and now we are back above 30K. We didn't close below 29K. There's a lot of people that thought that this was the bottom right here. And we can play the price and see what happened next. It did a scam pump. Here people were starting to be euphoric. We're saying like, oh, we are back. We are bouncing to the upside. This was the bottom for sure. And then look what happened. You see what I mean? So that's what I mean when I say that nobody knows what will happen next. We can only have opinions on it, you know, and these are my opinions. I think we can either see a pump towards 22K and then a massive drop below 17.5K and start consolidating around the 16K area, or we could literally see a break below the 17.5K around next week and then start. I think either way, after we broke the 17.5K level, I think we will start having a consolidation around 16K. I think this is gonna happen either way, in my opinion. I don't think that the 16K level will just get broken instantly, you know, like it wasn't there. I still think we will have a consolidation, maybe 1, 2, 3 weeks around the 16K before making the next move. And yeah, ultimately these are my options. This is my opinion. Again, take it with a grain of salt. I don't leverage trade crypto at all. I don't trade crypto at all. I just use the Bitcoin as my reference chart to know where we are at and what scenarios we could see. But yeah, definitely, as I said in the title, we could see a 10K Bitcoin. We could see a 10K Bitcoin. I'm not gonna lie. Do I think it will drop below 10K? Well, to be honest with you, I don't think so, and I really hope it won't, because ultimately if it will drop below 10K, then it's gonna be very rough for a lot of altcoins. Very, very rough. So yeah, but we shall wait and see. Again, something that I wanted to mention, there's a lot of people that ask me if I think there's gonna be a bull run next year or in the next couple of months. To be honest with you guys, I don't think so. I don't think that we will have a bull run in the next year. I think we will enter a very big consolidation phase next year, and maybe the year after, that's when I think we could have a bull run. But till then, I don't think so. Of course, I might be wrong. Again, this is just my personal opinion. But yeah, I just wanted to answer that question too. And yeah, guys, this was pretty much the market update. I just wanted to record a video like this because I haven't done it in a while. Because the reason behind it was because look at the price action. Like, Bitcoin didn't really do much since June. Bitcoin just played around between 18K, I mean 17.5K and 25K. That was literally the range from June till October, you know? Like, that's literally 4 months of doing the exact same thing, moving up, down in ranges, you know? So the price action hasn't been really that interesting, and that's why I didn't do a video on it like I used to, because in the past I was doing these type of videos on a consistent basis. But yeah, today I was like, okay, let's do a video on it because there's a lot of people that could be interested. And again, as a disclaimer, guys, me personally, I don't trade crypto at all. I don't leverage any cryptocurrencies. I only dollar cost average. Basically, over a period of time, 2 times a month, I invest in certain altcoins, and I do that every single month, no matter where the price is. I just DCA. I think that's the easiest method, and it will give you the least headache, you know. So yeah, guys, I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to leave a like and feel free to also share it. And if you have any questions, please drop them down below. You know that I always make sure to reply to every single one of you. All right. That being said, I wish y'all a great weekend, and yeah, I'll see y'all in the next video. Goodbye.